Hey guys, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today I'm going to give you some tips of how to lay out your living room. And make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new design video. So the first thing when setting up any room is you want to think about the focal point. So the focal point is usually when you walk into a space, what you're going to see first. So this is a little bit of a tricky space, but basically when you walk in, I knew you were seeing the window behind us, and that's where we wanted to put our sofa. So sometimes people think the sofa has to be against a wall. There's a lot of windows in this condo, which is true for a lot of apartment living. And so that's where we chose to put our focal point, was the sofa and against the window. The next thing we wanted to think about was layers of seating. So you want to think about how you live in the space, what you're doing in the space. We wanted lots of seating, even though it is a tighter living room. So we added then 2 chairs. The 2 chairs, what we did was swivel chair. So this is a tip I use for a lot of small spaces. It's nice to have a swivel chair because you can turn it around and it turns around into the kitchen as well. I then put a chair in the corner and kind of angled the chair. So again, this would fill in the space. So now we have the couch, we have the 2 chairs, and on the other side, we have an angled chair for lots of layered seating. Third tip is you got to think about your tables, so your coffee table. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, I'm a really big fan of round coffee tables, just because there's in spaces a lot of things like the couch, sometimes the chairs are very linear, and a round coffee table just really softens things up. So we've added in a nice wood round coffee table, but because of the size of it, we needed other tables, and I think this is something we also forget about, is to put other tables kind of sprinkled throughout the room. So you can see we have a small table beside the couch, even though it's accessible to the coffee table. We've got a side table beside the angled chair, and we've got another small table in between the 2 swivel chairs. Tip number 4 is I got to talk about rugs, because before actually choosing any of these items, you really want to make sure you ground your living room with a rug, and that's going to help with your layout. So I've talked about it before, but I'm going to repeat it again. Bigger is better. If ideally you can have all the furniture, or at least the front legs sitting on the furniture, it's going to make the space appear that much larger and really help with the layout of your living room. So I hope that these tips were helpful for you in living room layout. Make sure to like this video. I hope you are subscribed, and hop on over to carladreyerdesign.com and take my free Designing Your Style quiz. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.